Alright people, what's up everyone, and welcome to another reaction video for today, and it's time to take a little dip inside Psychic Pebbles. I don't know what was going there. Take a dip. Of course, Psychic Pebbles, Zach. I didn't really know too much about Psychic Pebbles before. I knew the name, and I knew him and Michael Cusack does stuff, and they made, of course, Smiling Friends. But I didn't really know too much about Psychic Pebbles' YouTube channel. Again, I've heard of him. It's not like a Flash Gits situation where I never even knew Flash Gits was a thing. Besides for the racist Mario thing, which I would always see randomly somewhere as a thumbnail, but never watched it until recently. But yeah, so taking a watch. There's a few of the Hellbenders episodes that got made. I think they were trying to make a show and never worked out, but I guess it worked out in the end because at least that got a show. Smiling Friends, which is nominated. I think isn't nominated for an Emmy, dude. If they win and Zach has to walk up on it. Wait, did the Emmys already happen? I don't know. I don't really keep up. They didn't win. They didn't get nominated for something. Whatever. Anyway, this is Get Out of My Car. Which is I don't know. I looked on Psychic Pebbles because I've been still watching some Oni Plays stuff, and I was just like, you know what, let me watch some Zach stuff. I'm gonna do it. And this one caught my interest. I do have some of the Hellbenders episodes to watch, but this one caught my interest. I thought it would be a good way to start. So have no idea what it is besides this guy's really fucking angry, and I'm assuming Zach's gonna voice him. Is my guess. Link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm sure you already watched it. It has 57 million views. So let's go. Play. Oh yeah.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where?
Get out of my car.
This is real.
Now.
This is really real. It wasn't a joke.
Get out of my car now.
I
Turn into
don't
a
know
fish.
where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am
Pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
1760.
out of my car now.
What the
Sir,
fuck
it
is?
said,
Get out of my car now.
why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me.
Very Ren and Stimpy. This fucking
You're
guy.
not to yell at me.
1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it. What? Oh, damn, that was
You
quick.
are facing
Get
very...
out right fucking now!
Oh, he's
You're
depressed. You
Get
can
out of
say.
my car!
Homer's
I'm
done.
facing a fucking moron! Get out! Now!
What the fuck?
You're facing the...
Now!
You have no right to scream at me?
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am
I
I?
like the
You're
best
at
sound
the
effect.
hospital. Where you
Where-
need to be. Get out of my car.
Yeah, that's.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Can you get her out of my car, please?
That was the perfect ending. God damn it. Her eyes to it. Animation of that guy's great. Oh, wait, no way. Wait, what? He's ambiguously the victim of the... Is he really? I don't know. Here's the full... Oh, she falsely claimed it was a medical emergency. She took a long time to get into the Uber car on purpose. When she finally did get into the Uber car, she was rude and condescending to him the whole journey. Then right at the end, she canceled her Uber car ride so he wouldn't get paid. At this point, she pulled out her camera and started recording and playing dumb, all in an attempt to get him to hit her so she could sue. This was an attempt at fraud aimed at the guy. Holy shit. And yeah,
You are at
no fucking way. The fuck out of here.
the hospital.
Oh my god. I agree. Just from the silhouette. I fucking nailed it.
Administration
I don't know why.
is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car
Why is she going to-
now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
Sir, I'm
Get
asking
out of my car now. I have the right to tell you when to get out of my
Being the more calm person doesn't mean you're
car.
I
It's
am-
right now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am
pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car.
It's over. It's
It said
fucking over.
17:6.
Get out
I like the animated one better.
of my car now.
Sir, it said,
Get out of my car now.
why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me.
Alright, I need to like skip ahead.
At a hospital. When
Where-
you need to
Yeah, okay, so he just cut some stuff out for the
be,
animation.
get out of my car.
This is fucking amazing.
Can you get her out of my car, please?
Where is the emergency room? On the other side?
Get out of my car.
Jesus Christ. Whoo! It makes me feel a little bit better that he ended up not being the piece of shit, though. I don't know. This dude is a legend. Can't believe this woman recorded this thing. She was in the right. She didn't feel sorry for that guy because they're how annoying, rude, and condescending that woman was. How do people know she was all that? Was there another video or something? Yeah, she sounds perfect. Yeah, I don't know about. I stopped a murder today. Oh my god, how self-control. That's pretty good. Saying she falsely acclaimed. She claimed it? It was a medical emergency. Took a long time to get. Okay, so it's the same thing. Facing a fucking moron, lady go. Wait, is that what he said? That's a great. Wait, did he put the? All right, I need to watch this again. I'm sorry. With context, with the full-on context, I need to watch this again. Fuck it. When it said that, I was like, oh, this is gonna be like a Zach joke, like 100% real. And then immediately I'm like, this does sound legit real.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
Fucking animation.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where
Get in there.
Out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point
I
at where I am
Pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over.
You are
Get out of
yours.
my car
I
now.
like the tiny little air freshener, just the.
Get out of my car
He's so Ren and Stimpy. It's like blowing my mind.
now.
Sir, it said,
Get out of my car
He slaps
now.
her.
why are you
Neck breaks.
yelling at me?
Because
She definitely go to the emergency room
you
now.
won't fucking get out of my car.
I love that this has more fucking views than the actual video.
But you're not to yell at me.
She did the little head thing.
You are not to yell at me.
One.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
There he is.
You are facing
Get
a
out
very...
right
I love how disappointed he was.
now.
You are
Oh.
facing
Get
a
out of my car. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out.
Okay, there you go. I didn't hear it. I didn't really hear it the first time. I'm facing a fucking moron.
You're facing a...
No.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to
You're in his car and you just fucking tried to scam him.
you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Yes,
fucking
I
will.
fucking will.
And I have the right.
Where am
I
I?
loved the sound effects.
You're at a
Keeping true to the original, the original vision.
hospital. Where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car.
This ending is so good. Hello.
Can you get her out of my car, please?
So good. Oh no, I can't anymore. Alright. It just gets a blankly stares at. I wish that happened in the real video. Oh man, alright, that was a treat. I'm glad I watched that. Anyway, get out of my car.